Step 1. Install the monitor. Rotate the monitor bracket to the front. Use 4 screws to fix the monitor to the bracket. Connect monitor VGA port and power supply DC port. Adjust the angle of the monitor. The monitor installation is complete. Step 2. Install the intake pressure gauge. Install the pressure gauge with 2 screws on the left side of the machine. Insert the air pipe at the input end of the machine. Insert the power supply voltage. Connect the air pipe of the external air compressor. The blade head will automatically rise. Step 3. Install quartz strip. Before installing the quartz strip, use a dust-free cloth to wipe it clean. Before locking the screw, align the quartz strip against the front. Make sure the edge of the quartz strip is close to the platform. The screw can't be locked too tightly. It can be fixed until it won't loosen. Connect the power supply. The machine is turned on. The installation is complete.